Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have the new release for Scrap Diva Designs for November. These dies will be available November the 1st and you can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. Okay guys? Oh my god, this release is so cute, you guys. I'm gonna be posting this video today, which is we're still in like towards the end of October. So any of the dies that you've seen in October that you want, if I were you, I would still snatch them now. Do not wait till November the 1st, because when November the 1st comes, you're going to want all of these dies, okay, guys? So this one I'm super excited for. I've been loving her stamps. She's been making high-quality stamps lately, and I'm in love with them. This is a, let's see what's called, Gingerbread Wishes stamp. And it says, Sweet Christmas Wishes here. Sorry for the glare. Let's see if we can take it out. It's probably still going to be a glare because of the light. But I cannot wait to jump into these. This is such a cute stamp set. I'm super excited for the stamp set. This one says, Mrs. Claus Gingerbread Bakery, always fresh, made with love, bread, cake, cookies, and cupcakes. And then we have this one that says North Pole Gingerbread Baking Co. This one says Gingerbread Kisses and Christmas Wishes. This one, Baking Spirits Bright, always fresh gingerbread bakery, made with love, bread, cake, cookies. So guys, this is gonna be awesome if you do baking stuff, or if you want to you know, like send some goodies to someone at work or whatever, and you can just create a simple tag with this and then have like cookies, store-bought cookies, homemade cookies, whatever. This will be so perfect for that. So I cannot wait to play with this. I'm super excited about this stamp set. And then the next one that you just saw a peek of, I saw y'all peeking, is this one here. It is called Christmas Stamp and Die Set number 2. Guys, it has the coordinating dies. I love that she's doing this. So we have these cute little images. You guys know I'm loving the bows. You get some ornaments in different sizes. There's like 3 sizes of each ornament. You get this cute little gingy boy and girl, Merry Christmas, a stocking, a cute little sugar cookie, and a Christmas tree. So super adorable. We're gonna do some coloring with that. The next die set is this one here. This one is called the Gingerbread Postage Stamp. And you are gonna receive 2 different sizes, all right? You're gonna get a double of the gingerbread. It's kind of like the one that she did for Valentine's Day with the hearts, but there's gingerbread. Okay, so you're going to get the double and then a single one and 2 sizes. So I cannot wait to play with that. Next, we have this really nice size sentiment one. And it says Baking Spirits Bright. So you're going to get the words, this pin. What do you call that? Baking pin, I think. Rolling pin. And then you're going to get a stitch piece and a shadow piece. So this is really cute. I love all the layers. You guys know I love layers. This one, so cute, guys. This is the fall stamp die set. So this is going to coordinate with her fall. Let me see if I have it by me. I don't know where I have it right now. But her fall die set, guys, her fall stamp set. This is going to coordinate and cut them out perfectly so you don't have to fussy cut or use your dies to cut in a different, you know, shape. So if you grab the fall stamp, you need to grab the coordinating die set, okay, guys? So we have that one. Next, we have this one here. Look at how cute. This is the Gingerbread Girl Bag Topper. So, guys, you're going to get 2 sizes, a small and a large. Let me flip it this way so you can kind of see what the bag topper is going to look like. So there goes the outside piece, the layering pieces for the gingerbread body. And then you have all these accessories. So it looks like there's different faces. There's a cute little bow, a skirt. All the pieces to make it adorable. There's even some flowers in there, guys. So 2 sizes, small and large. Next up, we have this one. And this is the Santa Boot mini album. This is so cute, guys. There's some little bells here. I love these little pine needle things. I'm going to have to cut a lot of those. These are great for layering and embellishing anything. We have some poinsettia flowers and 3 different sizes. Her mini albums are always a great value, you guys, because you can do so much and they're so versatile, and you always get tons of like little stamps, little die sets. So there's a buckle, there's details for your boots, your Santa boots. And these are all the pieces that come on that. Next is this one. Guys, I'm so excited for this one here. This is her oven mitt set. And look at all the accessories, guys. You can do like a heart detail on the mitten. There's like a scalloped edge. And then there's a bow that you can layer up. I don't know what this is. Maybe like to put to put like a ribbon around it and then the bow. That is so cute, guys. So you get 3 different sizes, and these also come with these plates that you can emboss. So I'm super excited about this one, guys. It's a must-have for sure. All right, next we have another rosette die. Christmas Rosettes is the name of this one. So as you can see, they all have a unique detail and edge. This is gonna make some pretty like snowflake looking ones, guys. Okay, so there's that. Next we have this one, guys. It's another must-have. This one is so bomb. Apron mini album. Look at how cute. So you're gonna get this apron here, stitching pieces, layering pieces, and you're gonna get a small one as well, so you can make like a matching tag or something. And then you're gonna get all these different bows. Sorry guys, I'm trying to see. Where do all these bows go to? You can just adorn it with a bunch of bows. Like you can do like 3 bows here, 2 bows here. So cute. And then there's all these other pieces that you're going to layer it with. So you can do a lot of details on these, guys. And look, another rolling pin. A cute little stitch label that you can layer onto there. And then there's little pieces to even layer the apron up. To put like a little apron on her. This is so cute, guys. Must have. This is going to go very quickly. Next, we have the coffee mug gift pouch. So this is the coffee mug. And then you're going to get all the pieces. I'm trying to see, guys. This is a cute little flower. And you're going to get it's obviously going to make a face. And these are the pieces to layer. And then we have this, which is going to make it a pocket. So cute, guys. I can't wait to play with these. I got already all kind of ideas in my head. Next, we have Thanksgiving words. And there are a ton on here. Thanksgiving. This one says give thanks. This one says, I can't see, guys. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sentiments. This one says thankful for you. This one says Thanksgiving. We have blessings. Hello fall, autumn, and then I can't see what this one says, guys. Warm something. But I'll have these cut out for you. You guys can see how they look. They're really cute font. I love that it's a different font. Next, we have this one, guys. It's going to be another must-have. Christmas bag topper. And you're going to get 2 different size bag toppers. As you can see, you're going to have the front, the back, and then all the pieces to layer. So it's going to be like a Santa sleigh with the reindeers. It's so adorable. And as you can see, it has some cute little star details. I can't wait to cut into these, guys. I'm like so thirsty to cut into these. This one is going to sell out really quick, you guys. This is the candy cane gift box. Look at how cute. It's such a great size. I want to say it's just 1 size, maybe 2. Yeah, I think it's 2 sizes, like 1. I don't know. I'm going to have to do a tutorial on this, guys. But look at the scalloped edge. I love that. I cannot wait to play with this one. So I'll have a tutorial for that. And then next, this is another must-have. Guys, all of these are must-haves, man. Like, this is such a great release. Gingerbread bow set. So you're going to get 2 different size bows. Yes. And then they have these cute little details that are cut out. It's going to kind of make it look like a gingerbread cookie. There's a cute little ginger you could put in the middle. And look at the tails, guys. The tails are beautiful. Y'all know I love bows. So I can't wait to play with this one. I'm trying to see. Like, I think you can make the bottom a shaker somehow. I don't know, but it's really, really pretty, guys. You got to grab that one. Next, we have, this one is going to be so cute. picture frame Memorydex. And so as you can see, you're gonna get like little snow banks that you can layer to create a cute little background, a little gingy house. Oh my God, it's so cute. I want to make a charm out of this. Let it snow, the sentiment with the back piece. You get a little snow lined door and then the tree. So you can create a really cute little, like, you know, silhouette, like a little scene. Memorydex cards are always on my wants list. And then last but not least, guys, we have a 3D die, the gingerbread purse gift box. So I can't wait to play with this, you guys. You know, I love gift boxes, like gift box dies. I have to have them because they're just great for, and they're essential for everything. You can do it for Happy Meal, for gifting, you know, your family and loved ones, for work. If you want to show out at work and be like, look, y'all, I'm a crafter. Y'all don't know what's about me, but I'm a crafter. So cute. Look at the little wood embossed door with the heart detail. There's windows and there's little like, what are those things called that you put the windows, put in the flowers in? I don't remember what they're called. The little pots. So cute, guys. And then there's some dies in between here too. So that is the full release for November for Scrap Diva designs, guys. They're gonna be available November the 1st. Once again, check out the October release so you can snatch what you want, because guys, it's gonna add up. Like, look at all of these. They are gonna add up for sure. So definitely use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And yeah, anything on Scrap Diva designs, guys. I'm super excited. I have to think about what collection I'm gonna play with. Oh, I'm so excited for so many of these, especially this one in the apron. So excited. All right, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will have another video soon with some examples so I can show you guys what these look like once they're cut out. And I will catch you all in the next video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which ones are must-haves for you. Guys, this is going to be, they're going to add up, I'm telling you, because there's just so many good ones in here. Like, I don't know how you guys are going to be able to choose. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.